Alright, well, today on the Jeep, kind of forgot to, videotape, but took off my, front driver's side tire. Jacked it up, put a spare jack, floor jack. So I took a grinder to my frame, grinded it on. I couldn't really get here that good, but got as good as I can. And I put primer, painted over the new black parts. I didn't really want to paint those, so I painted over, put tape over those. But that's what the frame used to look like over there. And that's the new. Not done yet, but it looks good. Here's the steps I took. Here's my drill, battery. Went like this. Alright, let's get the lighting good. Just keep it in my lap right there. Went like this. I can't do that good right now. Hold on. I need to find a good spot for this lighting. Alright, that should be good. Went right here. Went like this. Need a good spot for this camera. Really gotta buy a camera stand because I don't have one yet. Let's well, let's hope you guys could see. I don't know if you guys could see or not, but. Yeah, I pretty much did that. Got most of it off on that side, but not gonna do it all right now. But yeah, mostly just did that over there for quite a bit of a time. And I got soap and water, washed it down. Well, first I did the air compressor, blew all the rust away. Then got soap and water, washed it away. And then I got primer. This stuff, just got at Walmart, and sprayed it. And then I'm gonna rhino line it, so it looks black and looks new and it looks good. So yeah, please have a good day.